If you regard yourself as a perfectionist, I want to share something that radically transformed my life. And I hope that it's going to help you as well, because being a perfectionist is not a good thing. Being called a perfectionist is not a compliment. There is a better way to do what we do well and to go out there and live a beautiful, bold, meaningful life. And I want to share something with you right now that will demonstrate the difference between a spirit of perfectionism and something else. So let me take you right there, and we go here. So perfectionism, what is it about and how does it hold us back? Okay. Perfectionists do not like making mistakes. They are not okay with mistakes. They hate being judged for mistakes. They are fearful of making mistakes. They're fearful of looking stupid and falling on their face. And so they hold back on getting out there and taking action in the direction of their goals. So it's a robber of time. Perfectionists, by the way, a spirit of perfectionism is good friends with a spirit of procrastination. Yes, because you have too much time on your hands, my friend. If you hold back, check it again, check, 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 check. I'm not talking about doing something with your best shot. I'm talking about holding back, not taking action for fear of making a mistake, for fear of it not working, for fear of it not being perfect. So perfectionism robs you of valuable time. Perfectionism is highly critical, and it's not satisfied with just being critical of yourself. If you're a perfectionist, you'll be critical of yourself, and you'll become, or you already are, critical of others as well. It's how that spirit works, and it's rooted in fear. Fear of failure, fear of the mistake, fear of getting it wrong, fear of being judged and ridiculed. It is rooted in fear. I discovered a better way to do life. We have inside of us a spirit of excellence. It's inside of me, it's inside of you. A spirit of excellence is okay with mistakes. In fact, this spirit is very aware of the fact that mistakes are essential for success. There is no success in any industry on any level without making mistakes. The spirit of excellence is very, very action-oriented. It's going to give its best shot. Remember, you've got Olympic athletes, you've got incredibly successful businessmen and women, you've got people who give it their best shot with the spirit of excellence, and they go for gold and they get a result. If they come second or third or 10th or first, that is still the result, and they do better the next time. A spirit of excellence will take action in the direction of their identity and the direction of their goals. And it's in your DNA. When a woman walks into a room and she's well dressed and well put together, you instantly respect her. You might silently envy her, and you should go and compliment her to replace that, but you instantly respect her. Why? Because the spirit of excellence inside of you recognizes the spirit of excellence in her. That's why people really respect and admire men and women who are well dressed. Did you know that the airline staff is trained if there is a full or overbooked flight and there are standby passengers? Do you know that they are trained during the training to go and offer the seats to those who are better dressed? Think about that. Why? Because they know it's communicating a spirit of excellence. And who would they rather have if they have to bump somebody up to business class? Somebody who looks like they've got it all together, who is dressing well for themselves and for the day that they're stepping into. A spirit of excellence is encouraging. It's not critical. It's like, you know what? You got this. We've trained, we've tried, we've prepared, we've run simulations. We are now ready to go and take action. Let's go and slay the day. Let's go and do this. That's a very different approach than a critical perfectionist approach. And it's rooted in faith. A spirit of excellence is inside of you, alongside your spirit of adventure and your spirit of beauty. So your spirit of beauty, your spirit of adventure, your spirit of excellence, they are all one and the same. They hang out together. They're an amazingly powerful trio. So I don't know where you're at, friend. Like today, as you're watching this, it's not by mistake. It's not just a coincidence. If you're someone who likes to do things well, and I do as well, you want to like give things your stamp of excellence, you want to give it your best shot, evict your perfectionist today. Don't say I'm a rehabilitated perfectionist. Don't say I am working on it. Don't, because then you're keeping her there and you're like working on her and you're talking to her and you're giving her life and space. Tell her, thank you so much. I don't need you anymore. And speak to a spirit of excellence and say, we're going to start taking more action. We're going to start getting up, dressing up, and getting out there and going for gold, because that is what you're called to arise and shine. Your spirit of excellence will take you there.